In this video, we're going to look at working out the monthly repayment on a loan, but with a slightly spicy twist. And so Peter's granted a loan of $150,000 at 15.25% compounded monthly. He will repay it in 24 monthly installments starting 3 months after the loan was granted. So a couple of things here. If someone starts paying back the loan 1 month after it's granted or at the end of the month, then that is completely normal. You normally start paying back a loan at the end of the month when you get your salary. And so to start paying 3 months after the loan was granted, he's only 2 months late. Okay, so that's the first key bit of information. The second bit of information is it's 24 monthly installments, which sounds like 2 years. If he still wanted to finish paying back his loan within a 2-year period, then what you'd have to do is you'd have to grow this loan with compound interest formula for 2 months, get a new slightly bigger amount, and then set up a present value formula equation. But instead of 2 years, 24 months, you'd have to do it for 22 months. Because in this question, he is going to continue paying 24 monthly installments, that is just how many repayments there'll be. And so once we know those two tricks, all that we're going to do is we're going to start off by growing with compound interest for the 2 months that he's not paying back his loan, compounded monthly. We're going to divide by 12, and it's just for the 2 months. And so actually what he's now owing is slightly more. And so now when we get to repaying the loan, this will be our present value amount. We don't know what the monthly amount will be, so X is always the regular amount for making these repayments. Interest rate is still same, compounded. It's for 2 years times 12, or if you want to just jump straight to 24 because they've told you it's 24 monthly installments. What I like to do here is I times this denominator fraction up to the 153,000, then get an answer, keep that exact answer, and because the X is timesing by this entire bracket, in one shot I divide the bracket underneath there so that I'm not losing any of my decimals in the middle of the question, because in finance you only round off in the last step. And then I end up with my final answer. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.